Making the cotton, we need at least, usually in Nimhans we are taking a thread this much big so that we can tie in both sides, and if we are cutting this much length will come. At least we need this much length for one cotton. This much length is required. Length is not there means the cotton will go inside only. So we need to take little bit longer. According to your size you can take, but it should be long enough. Okay. Now we need to take the cotton. If you want a small one, we can take the small cotton oil, or if you want a big one, we can take the big one. If you are making the cotton as much as thin is possible means it will be good enough to see. If so much thick, see, thick one if you are taking, the cotton oil will be so thick and it will give more pressure. So it will be always better to take a thin cotton. And now I will show you medium size cotton oil. Okay, so I am keeping the thread in the center of the cotton, and I am folding three sides. See, I folded the three sides and I just turn that one so that it will stay there only, it will not go anywhere. And you need to pull the thread a little bit backside. You should not pull so much, little bit only you need, otherwise the thread will come over the cotton. So to avoid that one, we need to pull a little bit down. And tying is very easy actually. If you know how to tie the jasmine flowers, the same tie only we are using here. See, and 5 fingers we can use, 2 fingers like this, the edge of the thread we are holding like this, and see how I folded. 2 fingers outside, 1 finger in, middle finger inside. Okay, and the middle finger you need to fold so that you will get the grip. And this cotton you need to put through inside this one. See, like this. Okay, then you need to hold both cotton and you should not leave the edge. You have to hold like this. Then you can pull it so that it will stay there only. See, like this. It is very easy. I'll show you one more. I'll show one small one. For small one, it will be better always small cotton. Okay. See, I kept in the center. Fold 1, 2, 3. Just twist it and pull a little bit. See, I'm holding. It is very easy. 2, 3, 4, 5. And folding the middle finger and putting the cotton inside the knot. See, I'm pulling it slowly so that it will stay there. See, very easy. I'll show you again a big one. For that I took a big cotton in the center, exactly the same way, folding 3 sides, pulling a little bit, and see, in between the 2 fingers, 3rd one, 4th one and 5th one inside, and folding, putting like this, and just holding the both sides and pulling the thread. See, it is very easy. And we can, if you know the knot, it will be very easy for you to tie the knot. You can I think in the small cotton we are using the 40 size thread, and the big one we are using the 10 size, and according to your this thing, whatever it is available, you can change that one. See, like this it will come. And if you are cutting that one, we can cut in the center. See, this much length thread also. And if the cotton is good and if it is very thin, it will you can dip easily in the salad. And if the cotton thickness is more means it will be very difficult. And we are using the thread, how we are using means we are waxing with the bond wax. then we are autoclaving, so the thread will be more stiff, so that will be more easy than using a bare thread. Okay, I hope you understood how to tie the cottonoids. Thank you.